Ideal for play, exercise or training, indoors or out. Made of durable, heavy-duty molded plastic. Easy to assemble. Panels interlock securely with full-length connecting rods. Non-skid rubber feet to protect floors. This 24-exercise 4-panel pet playpen with door is perfect for puppies, small to large dogs, and other family pets. This exercise pet playpen can be utilized indoors or outdoors. The pet playpen is portable and provides 8 square feet of exercise space for pets. Each panel measures 33. 6 watts x 23. 6H, door measurements 14. 5 watts x 16. 5H, the distance between bars is 1. 5. This playpen is made of durable, heavy-duty molded plastic. The playpen will last for years and will never rust. The panels interlock securely with full-length connecting rods, and the pens can be positioned in different shapes to suit your pet's needs best. Each panel features a non-skid rubber foot to protect flooring. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my small Yorkie. It's perfect for what I needed. My dog has plenty of space for a pad, bed and to play. It's super easy to put together and light enough to lift and move out of the way to clean the floor. I used a leftover waterproof bathroom panel and it's easy to clean/mop. I leave the door open when we're home and my puppy already knows that's where her training pad is and goes in. It goes into her get toys and come back to play. Excellent product. For a larger dog, you might need to secure it a little better or rubber pads in the corner that prevents it from going from a square to a diamond.